Good afternoon to all. Welcome to the lecture series 2 on the topic biostatistics. Today we concern about the variable and frequency. What is in the variable? It is commonly a factor or character which can take different values is called a variable. Example, height, length, weight, age, etc. The variables are of two kinds, namely continuous variable and discrete, or other name is discontinuous variable. The continuous variable which can be taken on a continuous of values is called as a continuous variable. Example, height, weight, etc. In discontinuous variable or discrete variable, which can be take a finite or enumerable number of values. Example, the number of students in a class. The next one is a frequency. The characteristics of frequency distribution. The measure of central tendency, including the location, position, or averages. The degree of scatter of the observation around the measure of central tendency includes variability, dispersion, spread. The extent of symmetry in the shape of the distribution includes skewness, asymmetry. The flatness or peakness of the distribution. These are all the characteristics of the frequency distribution. The first one is discrete frequency distribution. The values of the variables are arranged in ascending order. First, we have to arrange the given number in ascending order. Then the number of time the number is repeated. You have to note that the number of time is repeated. Example, the number of flowers per plant in 25 plants. We plot the 25 plants. There are number of flowers is rotated for in the day 1, day 2 or anywhere we calculated. We have to first order the ascending order in all the variables. Then you have to calculate each frequency. The second one is a continuous frequency distribution. The variables are divided into various classes of uniform size with uniform class intervals. There are several classes. Example, class unit, the lowest and highest value in a class. The class interval, it is a difference between the upper and lower limits of the class. The class frequency, the value corresponding to class is tailed, which is the frequency of the classes. Class midpoint, the class midpoint is equal to you put a formula between upper limit and the lower limit divided by the 2. For example, age on the last value for the 40%, the same. If the variables are large in number, you have to split into a class intervals. Example, you have to split into 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 36 to 40 and so on. Then you have to count the repeat numbers and make it as a tally and found a final frequency value. Thank you.